Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the settings, not the settings but the dialer, because I'd like to start with faster way to check the serial number. We have to enter the secret code. So let's enter it, the *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on it. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's tap on this model toggle kind of. And as you can see, the serial number will appear right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.